Here's the truth about YouTube automation. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start your online business. I made over $10,000 a month easily doing YouTube automation without showing face. This is the easiest way to earn money online with AI. Even if you're not familiar with YouTube automation or AI tools, your age doesn't matter. You also don't need any experience with technology or AI. Why most people fail at YouTube? Because they choose a hard path. In the age of emerging technology, they still don't use AI tools to save time. They have no idea about their competitors. They have no content calendar. The two biggest factors in your success: your creativity, your consistency. If you're naturally creative, you'll likely see results faster, maybe even in 30 days. And I'm not doing anything crazy with SEO or analytics. I'm just posting videos about things that are already trending. That's the laziest and easiest way to grow on YouTube. The three main parts of YouTube automation are script, voice, editing. AI can do the first two things in under 15 minutes. For editing, you've two options: learn it or hire an editor. Editors charge around $20 to $25 per video, and if you can't afford that, learn it yourself. All this automation process can be done in just 2 hours a day, even if you have a full-time job. This is the easiest way to start an online business and make money fast. But that doesn't mean money will fall into your lap. You have to put some effort.